Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should be able to see the diesel filter on the upper left of the engine compartment. Start by removing the power supply to the filter located on the underside. To do this, put light pressure on the locking lever of the connection, then pull downwards. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, you can now take off the support flange on the filter and remove it completely. With a small flathead screwdriver, pick the filter up. Using the screwdriver, remove the clips for the fuel connections, applying a little pressure with your thumb to disconnect them. Repeat the operation for the second connection. You can now remove the filter, but be sure to place it in the liquid collector. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Liquid Collector. Drain the filter into the liquid collector and collect the water sensor. Be careful, diesel may still flow out. Once you have fully drained the filter and using the flathead screwdriver, take off the locking clips for the fuel connections still attached. Now, lightly lever the two sides of the clip, all while maintaining light pressure with your thumb. Prepare the new filter. To do this, remove the water drain cap and collect the new seal from it. Remove the seal on the sensor and replace it with the one you have just taken off. No need to tighten it too much, as it is a plastic part. Now, reassemble the holding clips for the fuel connections that you took from the old filter. Put the filter in place. Start by reassembling the fuel connections, then hold them in position. Reassemble the frame and tighten the screws with the help of the socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Finally, reconnect the water sensor power supply. The final operation involves purging the air from the fuel circuit. To do this, turn on the ignition and slowly loosen the bleeding screw with a 12mm spanner. When the diesel starts to flow and there are no more air bubbles, you you can close it. Operation completed.